Hello, this is Alec with Federal Signal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a Siren knob on a PF200 or a PF200R Pathfinder keypad. To start, we're going to need a Torx 20, and we're going to go ahead and remove the 4 corner screws. You can remove these screws and set them off to the side once you're done. We can go ahead and grab our volume knob now, and we're going to lift it and pull up gently to remove the knob. We can now lift the keypad and set the back housing off to the side. We're now going to flip the keypad over and find these 2 tabs that are holding the backing plate on. We're going to lift towards us or lift away, and we're going to set that housing away. There are now 2 T8 screws in the middle of the control board that we're going to remove. We could set those screws off to the side. Careful, they are small screws. Once that is done, we can now gently grab our control board and lift up, exposing the old knob. Take note of how the knob is oriented. We're going to set it off to the side and grab our new knob and place it in the same orientation. We're now going to then rotate our keypad back over and gently reinstall it, taking note of where the wires of the slide switch are. Sometimes if you put it in too fast, you could get the wires tangled. We want to make sure that all the wires are free and they're not tangled. Once that is in, we can then go ahead and grab our T8 screws and place them back in. And we're going to tighten these. Once those are tight, we can go ahead and grab our backing plate, set that in, gently push down on it. You want to make sure that both tabs lock in. We're then going to grab our back plate, place it on, grab our 4 corner screws, place them back in. We're going to tighten those. Take our volume knob, go ahead and press it back on gently. Test the keypad, make sure it goes through all the positions and stops after tone 2 and stops after radio. The knob installation is now complete.